Here's a great new feature that will have you using your phone in a way you've never imagined you could do before. To get started, we'll jump straight into the Settings app, and then we're going to scroll down and find Accessibility. From here, you want to find the option for touch controls. Now on this screen, go right to the bottom, and you should then have the option for Back Tap. Okay, Back Tap will give you two options. You can choose a double tap or a triple tap. And basically, when you tap on the back of your iPhone, it will activate whatever shortcut you choose. Let's go to double tap first of all, and you can see there's quite a lot of options here. For me, I want to choose Control Center. That means I won't have to drag down from the top right corner anymore. I can just tap my phone twice on the back and it will launch Control Center, just like this. You could use any of these actions to trigger your own custom shortcut as well, which might open an app or perform a certain function on your device. For me though, I want to use the triple tap to bring up the Assistive Touch menu. This will bring up that little floating home button on your screen, which you can then use to control different aspects of the accessibility features on your device. Give it a try. It's really easy to tap on the back of your iPhone and have all these cool things happening, and it really does open up a way of interaction you've never been able to do before on your iOS device. Hey, thanks for watching that video. Now, if you enjoyed that and you want to find some more quick tips for your iPad or to use in your classroom, do me a favour and press the subscribe button down below. That will really help me out, and it will help you keep up to date with all the latest tips and tricks on my YouTube channel.